What if I told you that some of the most advanced tech isn't from Silicon Valley, but from ancient civilizations thousands of years ago? Machines with gears before the gear was even a thing. Batteries before electricity was supposedly discovered. Today, we're diving into 5 ancient inventions that shouldn't exist, but do. Some say they're proof of lost civilizations. Others whisper ancient aliens. Let's separate fact from fiction and see what science can't explain. In 1901, sponge divers found something strange in a Roman shipwreck. A lump of corroded bronze and wood. At first glance, just a hunk of junk. But fast forward a century, and X-rays revealed something shocking. Inside was a complex system of gears, like a mechanical computer. Named the Antikythera Mechanism, this device could predict eclipses, chart the movement of planets, and even track the ancient Olympic Games. Let that sink in. A 2,000-year-old analog computer made with precision-cut gears. Some of its engineering wouldn't be matched again for another 1,000 years. How did the ancient Greeks build something so advanced with no modern tools? Scientists still debate. Some say it's evidence of lost tech or knowledge passed down and forgotten. One thing's clear, it shouldn't exist, but it does. Next up, we go to ancient Mesopotamia, where archaeologists uncovered a curious clay jar. Inside, a copper cylinder and iron rod. Harmless? Not quite. This setup looks suspiciously like a battery. Some researchers tested replicas filled with vinegar or lemon juice, and guess what? They generated electricity. Known as the Baghdad Battery, this artifact has puzzled scientists for decades. But here's the real mystery. Why would ancient people need a battery? Some theories suggest electroplating metals, coating objects with thin layers of gold. Others think it had a religious or ritual purpose. And of course, there's the alien crowd who claim it powered advanced tech or light sources. No definitive answer, just a big ancient question mark with a spark of electricity. At first glance, it's just an old map, but look closer and you'll see something shocking. The Piri Reis map, created in 1513, shows parts of South America, Africa, and even Antarctica. Here's the kicker. Antarctica wasn't officially discovered until 1820, and this map shows it without ice, as if from a time when it was warmer and ice-free. Scientists and cartographers are baffled. How could Piri Reis draw this centuries before satellite images? The map's creator claimed he used ancient source maps, some possibly from lost civilizations like Atlantis. Mainstream scholars say the Antarctic part might just be misinterpreted, but still, the accuracy of coastlines and land masses long before GPS is astounding. Coincidence or a glimpse into a forgotten world? Giant drawings etched into the desert floor, stretching hundreds of feet across. Monkeys, spiders, hummingbirds, and what looks like a spaceman? These are the Nazca lines, created over 1,500 years ago. Here's the twist. You can only truly see them from the air. But the Nazca people didn't have planes or drones. So why create giant geoglyphs no one on the ground could even appreciate? Some researchers believe they were ritual pathways, aligned with celestial events. Others say they were messages to the gods, or even landing zones for ancient visitors. The mystery isn't just how they made them, it's why. And that why keeps the Nazca lines one of the biggest unsolved puzzles in archaeology. Inside the ancient Egyptian temple of Hathor, a strange carving appears on the wall. It shows a figure holding what looks like a giant light bulb. Wait, what? Dubbed the Dendera light, the carving shows a bulb-shaped object with a snake-like filament connected to what some claim is a power source. Wild theory? Sure, but it's fueled debates for decades. Mainstream Egyptologists say it's just a symbolic depiction, maybe of creation or mythology, but ancient tech enthusiasts argue it's a literal device. device, maybe used for lighting deep tombs without soot from torches. We may never know the truth, but once again, an ancient image sparks modern wonder. So, what do you think? Are these just clever ancient inventions ahead of their time? Or are we missing a bigger piece of human history? One thing's for sure, the past still holds secrets modern science can't fully explain. If you enjoyed this dive into ancient mysteries, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss a journey into the unknown. And tell us in the comments, which of these inventions blew your mind the most? Or do you think there's something ancient science isn't telling us? Until next time, stay curious. Lightning bolt.